Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have the MoonShine Mani September release polishes video for you. Phoebe from MoonShine Mani sent me her newest releases. These polishes will be releasing on September 11, and I have one Project Dupe It polish, which is an OPI dupe from the Alice collection from many years ago, and I also have the Those Who Create and Eat Pizza collection. That is a 4-piece collection, plus she also has an add-on polish, and this entire collection was created by her daughter Honor, and this is their Halloween contribution. So we are starting Halloween quite early this year, and you guys know that I typically have my Halloween party series in October, but I decided to include this one in the series even though it's only September yet. But I do hope you will enjoy it. If you do, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future videos, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will be swatching all of these polishes for you on my nails, and I really like everything in the collection. My two favorites must be these two polishes. They are absolutely gorgeous. I do have to say that the formula on the Halloween collection polish is a little bit thicker than what I'm used to or what we are used to from MoonShine Mani, but if you work in 3 thin layers, you shouldn't have any problems with them. These are all crelly polishes, and because of their consistency they tend to be sometimes thicker, but you will see in my live swatch portion that I didn't have any problems with any of them and they apply beautifully. So thank you Phoebe again for sending me everything, and if you guys do have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section, but I will link for you everything that I can in the description box, so definitely check that one out. Let me know which polish out of these 6 is your favorite, and if you will be purchasing any of them. And I think that's it for this intro, so thank you guys so much for being here today. Definitely make sure that you watch the swatch portion, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.